Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you're trying to find where the fuse for your vacuum pump is located, guys, stay with us. We're going to explain that today. That should cover, guys, generation 2009 to year 2015. So let's explain where that fuse is now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses, guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing, guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan, guys? To make at least 200, guys, free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300, guys, mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair, guys, right here, guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. We're going to explain where that fuse for the vacuum pump is located. You have one tap right here, one there. We need to squish, pull that fuse box lid up, guys. Okay, just like that. Check it out. Now we need to get actually the fuse puller that's located right here, squish and pull it out. Pretty simple, right? Now, what we need to do next, we need to come inside this vehicle and we need to find where that fuse for the vacuum, okay, for the vacuum pump is actually located. So if you come by the steering wheel, okay, on that Hyundai Sonata right there, you have, guys, okay, that fuse box that's located, okay, right here. So let me get something to point with so I can show you where the fuse is located, because otherwise it's a very limited room and I will not be able to show you guys. But the fuse now that you will be looking at, guys, okay, if you look at your fuse box that way, okay, you need to come to the right side, count 2 to the left, second row, 1 2 3 4. So if you come to that 20 amp fuse, guys, right here, the 20 amp fuse, that's the fuse, guys, for the vacuum pump. Now stay with us and we'll explain how to test those and why it's important to test it before you guys just think it's a good fuse. Always either replace it or test it, guys. And if you want to see how to test it in a couple of seconds, we'll put the link in the description of the video below that simply explains how to test the fuse, guys. Really easy, and you can do it by yourself. That way you know for sure if it's good or bad, because sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, you install it and then you start putting more money, time, effort to fix your car, which is not worth it, and all we had to do is just replace the fuse or test it and find out it's bad. So that's the fuse, guys, for the vacuum pump. When you're ready to install it, all we have to do, just grab and push it in, guys, and at that point, okay, let me see if I can install it. You have to have, guys, okay, really small hands to actually be able to fit there. You can see just like that, but we did it. Now, don't forget to install your fuse cover. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.